Okay, we saved the best for last. You have an announcement today. I think it was under embargo until this morning.
Yes.
Please tell us.
So we are very excited about this announcement. So we've been trying to reimagine the world of agentic apps and agentic solutions. You know, for the largest part, the world that I've lived in, and all of you as well, we have, when we think about application, it has a form with 20 fields, and you fill it, and you click submit, and there's a busy signal. And then it comes up with a page with lots of information. And we somehow think putting all the information on one screen will give joy to people, and it doesn't. So that's the current world. The world of agentic applications doesn't have to look like anything we have seen before. It could be completely different where it's 80, 90% autonomous. And so we have been at it for over 2 years, and in partnership with OpenAI, we combined OpenAI's reasoning model with our process reasoning model. So we just specialize in enterprise work, 420 million of them. So it is very narrowly focused, and when you do it like that, it produces unbelievable outcomes. So this new set of agentic applications designed for the AI-first enterprise is what we announced today, and there are a series of those solutions, and excited to see how we'll take shape with that.
Congratulations.